course he does. Look at that, man. That is amazing, baby. Oh my, Lorenzo, look, check that out. They're migrating. I guess they're going back home. Oh my God. How many animals is that, Lorenzo? They've been going like for minutes.
It's been going like 20 seconds. Okay.
No, it's gonna be 1 minute of video, and they're still passing. That is awesome. And they're going north, back home.
No birds migrate south.
Oh my God, they do. They do it. They migrate south for the winter. This is amazing, Lorenzo. Oh my God. Beautiful. That is so awesome. Look, it's circling around waiting for the ones that are lagging behind. Oh my God. Look at that. That is gorgeous.
So,
What type of birds do you think they are?
no idea.
It's amazing how they can navigate the globe, baby. Maybe they were like, God knows where they were, and they're going all the way to the United States or Central America or somewhere. That is so cool. And they're all migrating in a group. That is amazing. They don't have GPS, of course. What a beauty. Let's go. Those are the last ones. The last three guys. Beautiful.